So how has the investor behavior changed like before COVID and after COVID, especially given the fact that a lot of retail investors entered this investing ecosystem after the COVID pandemic because they realized the returns which are there in the stock markets. So according to you, like as far as your analysis is concerned, पहले investor behavior कैसा था COVID के पहले and अभी investor behavior कैसा है whenever you interact with retail investors?
सो कोविड के पहले तो जो नॉर्मल रिटेल इन्वेस्टर बिहेव करते थे वो थोड़ा गार्डेड डिसीजंस लेते थे बिकॉज on back of their mind there was always a case that stock market might fall and it is a risky thing. But after COVID and after lockdown and after a lot of digital advancement in the market, I think new lot of investors have come in the market. They have got far more risk taking capability. आज today's youth को रिस्क लेने में कोई डर नहीं लगता है. आप फैंटेसी क्रिकेट भी जाते हो, आप क्रिप्टो भी खेल लेते हो एंड आप स्टॉक मार्केट में आते हो. तो आई थिंक वन थिंग विच हैज चेंज इन द मार्केट इज दैट द पार्टिसिपेंट इन द मार्केट्स आर फार मोर यंगर. India is having median age of 28 years as a young investor, and a lot of them have started in market. So I think you have seen new investors who are more technological advanced. They are more risk takers, but at the same time they are more smart. They actually have access to a lot of information. They go through all the information and then they take their own decisions. So I think the entire way stock market is participated has changed. Earlier, people used to go and just get advice from their financial advisor and try to invest. Today, I think the decision making is completely information led, and people have become smarter.
Yeah, I think it's also thanks to social media, thanks to a lot of people who are like educating the audience on finance, and they are helping a lot of people understand कि mutual funds क्या होते हैं, stocks क्या होते हैं, fundamental analysis क्या होता है, technical analysis क्या होता है. So I think that is helping a lot.
Correct, Kushal. I think social media has also created lot of awareness. Only one thing which is coming to my mind is that how does a investor identify this is a authentic source of information? You can see a lot of vested interest and some of the players who are not adhering to the code of conduct, and that is where I think there is very much need to ensure that you have authentic being separated from the unauthentic one. Once that is sorted, and I'm sure regulator is also taking a lot of steps on that, players like you are also adding to the credibility of some of these authentic content. So I'm sure that once people are able to identify this is authentic source, I'm sure their learning curve will go up.
I think that's the most important decision that any viewer or any retail audience should take before consuming any content, and decide whether they really want to invest this much amount of time to this creator or maybe anyone following on social media. I think that I completely agree with you on that. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.